सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः स्वागतं। तत्र अद्य अस्माकं 31 कक्षा वर्तते। 331st क्लास टुडे। यथा भवन्तः जानन्ति, यू ऑल नो, वयम् अस्माभिः किं पठ्यमानमस्ति एतासु कक्षासु विदुरनीतिशतकं पठ्यमानं भवति वर्तते। विदुरनीतिशतके एतावत्पर्यन्तं षड्पञ्चाशत् श्लोकाः समाप्ताः आसीत्, पठिताः सन्ति। 55 श्लोकाः। यथा वयं कथयामः, एतैः 55 श्लोकैः सह बहवः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः अपि पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य तु तत्र 50 श्लोकाः पठिताः एतावत्पर्यन्तं। 57तम श्लोकस्य सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः अपि 3 वर्तन्ते। 3 श्लोकेषु सम्बद्धेषु श्लोकेषु एकः श्लोकः एव गतकक्षायां वयं एकं श्लोकं पठितवन्तः। अद्य 2 श्लोकौ पठनीयौ भवतः। इदानीं श्रीनिवासः पठति, वयम् अर्थमनन्तरं पश्यामः। So Srinivas, you can read the second poem.
श्लोकेन वा तदर्थेन पादेनैकाक्षरेण वा अवन्ध्यं दिवसं कुर्याद् दानाध्ययन कर्मभिः
इति चाणक्यनीति। श्लोकेन वा तद् अर्धेन पादेन एकेन अक्षरेण वा इति सर्वत्र सन्धिपदच्छेदम्। तद् तत् अर्धेन तदर्धेन पादेन एकेन पादेन एकाक्षरेण पादेन एक अक्षरेण वा आवन्ध्यं दिवसं कुर्यात् दान अध्ययन कर्मभिः। दान अध्ययन कर्मभिः दिवसं दिनम् आवन्ध्यं कुर्यात् सफलं कुर्यादिति। दानाध्ययन कर्मभिः दिवसं दिनम् अवन्ध्यं सफलं कुर्यात् मानवः। केन प्रकारेण कुर्यात् दिवसं सफलम् अथवा अवन्ध्यं कुर्यात्? वन्द्यं न कुर्यात्, अवन्ध्यं कुर्यात् इति। वन्द्य इति फ्रूट यूज्लेस्, अवन्ध्यं फ्रूटफुल यूस्फुल। श्लोकेन वा तदर्थेन वा, either with one sloka, one poem or half poem. Then padena ekaksharena va, or either by 1/4 of a poem. When we speak of pada, every sloka has 4 padas, 4 lines rather. So chatushpadi, it is supposed like a poem moves on its 4 legs. So we call it pada. Pada means foot. Pada also means line. Usually speaking, any sloka will have 4 padas. It runs on that with that particular whatever meter it may be. Anustub, it can be Vasanta Tilaka. There are so many meters. So on those meters, on those 4 legs like the poem moves on. Slokaha gacchati, padaihi gacchati, you can say. So padena ekaksharena va, either with a complete poem or half of it or 1/4 of it. Pada means 1/4 of it. Or aksharena, or minimum by 1 syllable. You make the day fruitful. That means speak in such a way that you praise somebody totally or half praise him, or praise the minimum, or minimum do. So here sloka, I think we can take it for speaking good. You speak nicely, or at least 50% nicely, or quarter nicely, or at least one letter you utter in a day nicely, so that your day becomes fruitful. Day has to be passed on. See, our heading is Sukham Vaset, means you have to live happily. Like, now that is the actually Sambandha Sloka here. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha. Sarve jantavaha tushyanti. All living beings feel happy. By what? Priyavakya pradhanena. By gifting Priya, what do you say, beautiful words, dear words, pleasant words. By talking pleasantly, in other words, I am just putting it very literally. Vakya pradhana, Priya Vakya pradhana means gifting. But here by speaking eloquently, by speaking very pleasantly, in a pleasing manner, all the animals, all the living beings, sarve tushyanti jantavaha. Sarve jantavaha tushyanti. I think in some occasion I told this poem long back, and I also told you, if you remember, there is one movie in English, Dr. Dolittle. Dr. Dolittle is a wonderful man. He can speak to any animal. He knows the language of the animals. So, like that, if you know the language of the animals, you can also please the animals by speaking nicely. That is what the poem says. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha. Tasmat, therefore, tadeva vaktavyam. Therefore, only good, beautiful, pleasing speech must only be uttered. Pleasing words must be uttered. Tasmat tadeva vaktavyam. Vachane ka daridrata. Where is the poverty in words? See, the last line is so beautiful. Where is the poverty in words? Words have there are so many innumerable number of choice of words. You pick up such words by which all become happy. Why make people unhappy? By speaking wrongly, by speaking harshly. If all can be happy, all living beings can be happy by your speech, make it. Where is the poverty in words? There is no poverty in words. Wonderful poem related to this. So this is the same thing here. Avandhyam divasam kuri. You make your day fruitful either by a sloka or half of it or a quarter of it or at least one syllable. Means speak nicely and make your day comfortable, useful. Avandhyam divasam kurya dana adhyayana karmabihi. And also at last he says, you either how to make otherwise you take to this dana, charity, adhyayana, by study, and karmabihi. So, and good action. By doing some good action, by indulging in charity, by study, either by study or charity or by doing some good thing or by uttering some good word. First line says either by pleasing words or by these things. Make your day fruitful. The second one is close to our poem. Kavya Shastra Vinodena Kalo Gacchati Dhimatam, like that it is. Next poem. Anything more we have to explain here? Avandhyam, na vandhyam, avandhyam. Vandhya means fruitless, useless. Vandhya means useless. Avandhyam means useful. Safalam. Safalam divasam dinam. Kuryat. Kuryat is kru dhatu, Srinivas. Vidhiling. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu. Kuryat, third person, vidhiling, ekavachana. Divasam kuryat, avandhyam kuryat. Kena prakarena, kaihi danena, adhyanena, karmana va. दानेन वा अध्ययनेन वा कर्मणा वा दानाध्ययन कर्मभिः इति तृतीया बहुवचनम् अथवा श्लोकेन वा तदर्धेन वा पादेन वा एकेन पादेन वा श्लोकपादेन एकेन अक्षरेण वा येन केन प्रकारेण अत्र उक्तैः प्रकारैः उक्तेषु प्रकारेषु एकेन प्रकारेण येन केन प्रकारेण दिवसम् अवन्द्यं सफलं कुर्यात् इति तत्र अर्थः सारः. We move on to the third one.
प्रथमे नार्जिता विद्या द्वितीये नार्जितं धनं तृतीये नार्जितं पुण्यं चतुर्थे किं करिष्यति.
This is very nice. Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. प्रथमे वयसि. Understood? प्रथमे वयसि न अर्जिता नार्जिता विद्या इति एकं पादं. This is one. एकः पादः. This is one pada. So prathame vayasi na arjita vidya. ब्रह्मचर्यावस्थायां विद्या यदि न अर्जिता संपादिता द्वितीये गृहस्थाश्रम समये द्वितीये न अर्जितं न संपादितं धनं तृतीये न अर्जितं पुण्यं तृतीये वानप्रस्थाश्रम समये वा गृहस्थाश्रमानन्तरं या कापि अवस्था भवति तस्याम् अवस्थायां तृतीयायाम् अवस्थायां न अर्जितं पुण्यं चतुर्थे किं करिष्यति वार्धक्ये किं करिष्यति सः. तत्र चतस्रः अवस्थाः सन्ति. चतस्रः अवस्थाः बाल्यावस्था अथवा यौवनावस्था प्रौढावस्था वार्धक्यावस्था प्रौढ यौवन बाल्य यौवन प्रौढ वृद्धावस्था एतासु चतुर्षु अवस्थासु मानवेन कथं वर्तितव्यम् अत्र किं किं सम्पादितव्यं किं किम् अर्जनीयम् इति तत्र वर्णितमस्ति. प्रथमे वयसि यौवने वा बाल्ये वा तत्र विद्या अर्जितव्या विद्या सम्पादितव्या. द्वितीये स्तरे द्वितीय अवस्थायां धनम् अर्जनीयं धनं सम्पादितव्यं मानवेन. तृतीये तत्र पुण्यं सम्पादनीयं. यदि एतेषु त्रिषु समयेषु न किं न विद्या न अर्जिता भवति धनं न अर्जितं भवति न पुण्यमपि अर्जितं न भवति चेत् चतुर्थे तत्र चतुर्थ अवस्थायां वा अथवा चतुर्थे तत्र क्रमे किं करिष्यति मानवः किमपि कर्तुं न शक्नोति इति. अत्रापि किंचित हिंदी सिनेमा गानं तत्र वर्तते. बचपन खेल में खोया जवानी नींद भर सोया बुढ़ापा देखता रोया सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो. ओ माय फेलो बीइंग्स डोंट टेल लाइज and don't spend your time in playing, don't spend your engage in playing, your childhood in playing and engage in sleeping, and don't cry seeing others occupying position in your old age. So something like that here. Prathame na arjita vidya, dvitiye na arjitam, savana direction there na arjita, na arjitam, everywhere na arjitam punyam. चतुर्थे किम करिष्यति मानवः मनुष्यः किम करिष्यति चतुर्थे किमपि किम करिष्यति नाम किमपि न करिष्यति. he will not be able to do anything. So to say Srinivas, one has to do things in their proper time. That is it. When you are a boy, young man, you must be given to education only. You must be education. Education time should be, your young age should be dedicated totally to education. Your later second stage should be only dedicated to making money. And third stage, like that. So whatever you are supposed to do, in whatever age you are supposed to do, you think they must be performed. Otherwise you will repent. You will repent and you will cry. That is it. So, evam सप्ता पंचाशत्तमः श्लोकः संबद्ध श्लोकैः सह समाप्तः। इदानीम् अष्टपञ्चाशत्तमः श्लोकः सुखिनः पुरुषाः त्रयः। Now we are going to see something. Trayah sukhinah purushaah. There are only three types of three happy men. Three happy men are there. Who are they? We will see. You read.
सुवर्ण पुष्पां पृथिवीं चिन्वन्ति पुरुषस्त्रयः
पुरुषास्त्रयः शूरश्च
कृतविद्यश्च यश्च जानाति सेवितुम्.
Very clearly it is that सुवर्ण पुष्पां पृथिवीं चिन्वन्ति पुरुषाः त्रयः शूरः च कृतविद्यः च यः च जानाति सेवितुम्. अत्र त्रयः पुरुषाः सन्ति ये सुखिनः भवितुम् अर्हन्ति. ये त्रयः पुरुषाः अत्र श्लोके वर्णिताः ते एव सुखिनः भवन्ति इति भवितुम् अर्हन्ति इति. They only deserve to be qualified to be happy. Who are described here? Three people. They only qualify to be happy. Who are they? Shuraha. One is Shuraha, the brave. Who is the second one? Kruta Vidya. That means one who is educated. Kruta Vidya means Kruta Vidya yena saha, by the one by whom learning is obtained. Learning is obtained. Kruta Vidya. And the third one is Trutiyah Purushaha Bhavati Yahacha Sevitum Janati. One who knows how to serve people. Our great leaders, let us say, I am saying very sarcastically, our great leaders, they are not happy people because they don't know how to serve. They only know to serve themselves. Yahacha janati, and the one who knows sevitum, sevam kartum. Kasya seva? Deshasya sevam, jananam seva, janasevam kartum janati. Atra tu swasevam kurvanti asmakam nayakaha. Swa udaraposhanam kurvantah kalam yapayanti. So that is it. Padacheda we have done, Srinivas. Now Anvayartha you read.
Yatra purushaah sarva.
Trayaha. No, you read it this way.
Sorry. Trayah purushaah suvarna pushpam prithivim chinvanti shuraah cha krutavidyah cha yaha cha sevitum janam.
Very simple Anvaya. Trayah purushaah suvarna pushpam prithivim chinvanti. Chi to collect, you know. Literally, chinvanti means they gather. But here they get, they enjoy. What so many meanings you can take. Chi. So, who are the three people? Suvarna, and what type of prithvi they can enjoy? Suvarna pushpam. Suvarnam eva pushpani yasyaha tam. Tam suvarna bhumim. Suvarna bhumi atra katham tatra vigrahavakyam vaktavyam. Suvarnam eva pushpani yasyaha sa. Suvarna pushpa. Tam suvarna pushpam. That earth which has golden flowers. Gold as its flowers. Prithivim. Because the word Prithvi is Dvitiyanta. Dvitiya Ekavachana. The adjective is Suvarna Pushpam. This is Akaranta adjective. That Shabda Prithvi Shabda by itself is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda like Nadi. So remember one thing, Srinivas, we have done adjectives. Adjective, if it is Akaranta, it will take Akaranta root only. It will not change its root anta to suit the ending of Ikaranta. It will have to become only feminine. Gender wise it has to agree with the noun. That is Prithvi Shabda. Prithivim Dvitiya Ekavachana. You can't say Suvarna Pushpim. Suvarna Pushpim. Of course, this is a Bahuri Samasa also. Suvarnam eva pushpani yasyaha sa suvarna pushpa tam suvarna pushpam prithivim bhumim iti. So these three people only can enjoy the earth. That suvarna pushpam is not translated literally here. The bounties of the earth. So, I mean the riches of the earth. Suvarna pushpa can be translated. So only three kinds of people can enjoy the riches of this earth. There is a mistake here, Srinivas. Second half you have not read. Shuraha, it is given in plural, na?
Yes, sir.
Shuraha. It should be given in Ekavachana.
Okay.
Shuraha, the brave, the valiant. Krutavidyaha, the learned. And Yascha, Yahacha, Sevitum Janati, and one who knows how to serve others. So a person who serves others is a happy man. A person who is a brave man is a happy man. A person who is highly learned is also a happy man. So these three people can only be happy. Trayaha ete trayaha eva sukhinaha bhavanti bhavitum arhanti yatha uktam idani. So these people only become happy. Because a brave man is automatically the king. He becomes the king. A highly learned person is respected everywhere, and therefore he is the most happy, blessed man. And a person who cannot do these two activities, if he knows how to serve others, then he is also happy. Happiness lies in his serving the other people. So what more? Samskrita Bhavartha?
Yeah.
Veeraha Jnani Susrushuhu means a man wanting to serve. Desirous of serving. A person who is desirous of serving is Susrushuhu. Iti Eva Bhumau Sukham. So these three only enjoy happiness on this earth. Bhumau Sukham Anubhavanti iti Trayaha. Ataha Susrushuvihi Bhavyam. Therefore, one should be a brave person. People should be brave. People should be learned. People should be willing to serve others, wishing to serve others, desirous of serving others. Susrushubihi bhavyam means bhavitavyam. This is a construction, bhave prayo. So, janaihi understood. Ataha suraihi gnanibihi susrushibihi bhavyam janaihi bhavyam bhavitavyam. People should be either of these. Should either be brave or knowledgeable or desirous of serving, servitude. They should be having that. Only they will be happy. Only then they will be happy. Nothing more. Only one Sambandha sloka. Srinivas. Sambandho na Sambandhaha ekaha slokaha.
What is definition for this?
Shrotum ichha. Shrotum, shrunoti. Shrotum ichha susrusha. Shrotum ichha yasya saha, you can say. One who is desirous of listening.
But he is saying them.
Susrushivi. Oh, Susrusha. Seva. What is the original here? Sevitum janat. Yeah, that is it. Susrusha is seva, sorry. Susrusha. Sevitum ichha. Sevitum ichha. Susrusha. Susrusha nama seva. Susrushubihi, wanting to be serving. Wanting to be serving. Sorry. Yeah. Like we have some words I will tell you. Chikirsha. Kartum ichha. Chikirshuhu. Kartum ichuhu. One who is desirous of doing. Like mumukshuhu. Moktum ichha yasya saha. One who has a desire to liberate. For liberation. Mukshuhu comes from the base word is mumuksha. Mumuksha, titiksha, like that, to stand, withstand, titiksha. Statum ichha. Any more?
Sadayam hrudayam yasya bhashitam satya
Bhushitam.
Kayaha parahite yasya
Tasya karoti kim. This is Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. Sadayam Hridayam Yasya. No Sandhi Cheda in the first line. Second line, Only one. Kalihi tasya karoti kim. Kalihi tasya, that is the padacheda. Sadayam hrudayam yasya. Yasya purushasya manavasya hrudayam sadayam bhavati. Yasya purushasya hrudayam sadayam dayaya sahitam bhavati. Sadayam nama dayaya sahitam. That person whose heart is with compassion, who has got a compassionate heart, kind heart. Yasya hrudayam kidrusham sadayam daya sahitam bhavati. Then yasya, again you take yasya bhashitam vakyam, yasya bhashitam, yasya vak satya bhushita, vak bhushita अथवा भाषितम भूषितम. भाषितम is नपुंसक शब्द अत्र प्रयुक्त. भाषितम इति नपुंसक, अतः क्रियापदमपि सत्यभूषितम, सत्येन भूषितम. यस्य भाषणम सत्येन भूषितम, whose speech is decorated with truth, dominated by truth. Yasya hridayam sadayam bhavati, yasya bhashitam satya bhushitam bhavati. Next. Yasya kaya, again you take yasya, the one whose body, shariram, parahite bhavati, and whose body is for doing good to others, parahite. Paresham hite, yasya kaya rataha bhavati, magnaha bhavati. The one whose body is busy or involved in helping others, paresham hite rataha magnaha bhavati. Then yasya, the over. Three yasyas you take. Yasya hridayam, yasya bhashitam, yasya kaya. Tasya. This correlation you see nicely. Yasya, the one whose, tasya, his. Then what? Tasya means to him. Kalihi kim karoti. Tasya kalihi nama kali yugaha. Kalihi nama evil. Kalihi. So what can evil do to him? Evil cannot encroach on him. Evil have no effect on him. What other religions say, Saturn, what will the Saturn do to him? No. So the Kali cannot do anything here. That means nothing will affect him. One who is for others, one whose heart is full of kindness, whose speech is full of truthfulness, and whose body is involved only for doing others. So what can Kali do to him? That means Kali means here bad. Kali stands for Kali Yuga. Kali means quarrel, you know that? Kali word means quarrel. In this Yuga, Kali Yuga, this is a quarrel Yuga. That is why you find all the time quarrel around the world. Not that there were no quarrels earlier, but not like this. More quarrelsome time, this is called Kali Yuga. So Kalihi tasya karoti kim. What can the evil do to such a person? Nothing can be done. Anything more here, Srinivas? Sadayam is a dayaya sahitam. Daya shabda is there, na? Akaranta strilinga. Dayaya sahitam sadayam. Adjectival to hrudayam. Sadayam sakarunam. Sakarunam. Daya sahitam hrudayam. Not like this. Sadayam hrudayam, adjectival that. Daya sahitam hrudayam. Bhashitam, speaking. Everything is simple. Kaya shabda is sharira. Kalihi tasya. Tasya kalihi kim karoti, na kimapi karoti iti. Evam अष्टपञ्चाशत्तमः श्लोकः एकेनैव सम्बद्धेन श्लोकः समाप्तः। इदानीम् एकोनषष्टितमः श्लोकः, अदर्वैस् नवपञ्चाशत्तमः श्लोकः, 59th पोयम। भावानुरूपा सिद्धिः, सिद्धिः भाव अनुरूपा भवति। Your achievement is as per the thought. As per one's thought, one gets the result. Siddhi means result. The result depending on one's bhavana, thinking. Let's see what it is.
यादृशैः सन्निविशते यादृशांश्चोपसेवते यादृगिच्छेच्छ
भवितुम
तादृग् भवति पुरुषः.
Sorry. So here you have a good study. Yadrush. This is a pronoun, relative pronoun. Like in the above poem, yasya 3 times, tasya. Like that. Yadruk, tadruk. Yadruk means of what sort, what type. Yadruk means of what type or sort. So, padacheda.
Yadrushaihi sannivishate yadrushancha upasevate.
Sorry.
Yadruk ichet cha bhavitum tadruk bhavati purushaha.
So, Anvayartha.
Yadrushaihi sannivishate yadrushancha upasevate yadrukcha bhavitum ichet purushaha tadruk bhavati.
Yadrushaihi Purushaihi, understood Srinivas. Yadrushaihi Purushaihi Sannivishate. With whatever Sannivashate means whatever type of people he lives with. Yadrushaihi Purushaihi Sannivashate Jivanasti Jivati Nivasati. With whatever type of people one lives. And then Yadrushancha Upasevati. And whatever type of people one serves, living and serving. Living in the company, whatever type of company one lives, and whatever type of people one serves. Tadruk. Yadrukcha upasevate, yadrukcha bhavitum ichet. And thirdly, whatever one wishes to be, whatever one desires to become, Purushaha, here is if you watch that, Purushaha is there. Purushaha is equivalent to Purushaha only. We write it in, the word is available in 2 ways, Purushaha and Purushaha also. Purushaha, Tadruk bhavati, man becomes like that. So whatever company you keep, whatever company you serve, whatever you like to be, that you will be. In simple terms, this is whatever company you live in, whatever company people you serve, whatever you wish to be, that you will be. Very simple. The whole atmosphere is that. If one chooses to be with the dacoits, one chooses to be serving the dacoits, if one chooses to be becoming a dacoit, then he will become a dacoit. Or if one chooses anything for that matter. That is what the sloka means, nothing more. You can read Bhavartha. Sangatim prapnoti sevate. Okay. Manushyaha, man, yadrushim sangatim prapnoti. Whatever company he gets, prapnoti nama gets. Whatever man, whatever company he gets, yancha sevate, whomever he serves, yathacha bhavitum icchati, whatever he wants to be,
तादृशः
like that, nunam
नूनं
jayate. He will be like that. Surely he will be like that.
संगतिः सेवागुणः प्रबला इच्छा इति त्रयं यथा
Bhavati
तथैव मनुष्यः भवति
iti bhavaha. So the sense is sangatihi, company, seva gunaha, the servitude, prabala ichha, a strong desire, iti trayam. These are the three factors here: company and wishing to serve and wanting to become something. These are three things. So yatha bhavati, whatever trayam yatha bhavati, however their attitude is, whatever their attitude, tathaiva, in similar manner, manushyaha bhavati iti artha. So man bhavaha, man becomes whatever he chooses to be. Like Vivekananda says, na Srinivas, whatever you think that you will be, weak you think weak you are, strong you think strong you are. This is called bhavana yoga. Bhavana yoga means thought yoga. So everything is in the thought level. If you think that you are fit for nothing, I am fit for nothing, I am fit for nothing, you go on cursing yourself, go on giving auto-suggestion that I am useless, I am useless, I am useless, you will become a useless man. If one thinks that no, I can do it, like that, in the world we have seen how political leaders have won the elections also. You can. Obama, the president, the first time when he campaigned and gave speeches, he said, you can, we can. That worked like a mantra. An inspiring quotation it became, and people won. Like in our freedom struggle, we had one inspiring slogan, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, which reverberated from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari to Kashmir. So like that means there should be a serious desire to be something. Bhavana yoga is that. Whatever you think you can become. You are God yourself, you are forgotten. That is Vedanta. You can become God, what else you want? You are given so much choice in Indian philosophy that you can become a God. If you follow the footsteps of your Guru, you can become a God. What else you want? If you want to become a dog also, you have a choice. Like Gita says, ye yatha mam prapadyante tans tataiva bhajamyaham. So whatever way people approach God, the same way He reciprocates. So same thing. You want to serve the good? Welcome. You want to be in the company of good? Very nice. You want to be good? Then you will be finally good. That is it. In other words, this sloka means company is very important. And that company, through the company only, you get a desire to be something. If you are in bad company, you get a bad desire to become a bad man. If you are in good company, you get a desire to become a good man. If you are in the company of learned people, you wish to be learned. Isn't it? Sangat sanjayate kamaha. Same our Gita comes again there. Sangat sanjayate kamaha. From the sangati, you get the desire to be. So we leave it there and then Sambandho Slokos, more commentaries or.
यदि संतं सेवते यद्य संतं तपस्विनं यदि वा तेनमेव वासो यथा रंगवशं प्रयाति तथा स तेषां वशमभ्युपैति.
Vidura Niti. This is also Vidura Niti. Vasham abhyupaiti. Abhi-upaiti. So what is Vidura again saying here? 4th chapter, same place. Yadi santam sevate, yadi asantam tapasvinam, yadi va stenam eva, stenam choram eva. Vaso yatha rangavasham prayati, yatha vasaha vastram rangavasham prayati, rangasya vasham prayati gacchati. Vasaha vastram rangasya vasham yatha gacchati, tatha, in the similar manner, just like the cloth gets into the whatever color you dye with, the cloth will get the color of that. Ranga means here color, rang. Ranga vasham means rangasya vasham gacchati. Yatha vastram vasaha ranga vasham prayati gacchati. Tatha, in the similar manner, sa purushaha tesham vasham abhyupaiti. Sa purushaha tesham vasham abhyupaiti. He also comes under their influence. Who? Yadi santam sevati. If yadi purushaha yadi santam sevati, sat purusham sevati. If man serves a saintly person, Srinivas. What is santam? Dvitiya ekavachanam. San, santau, santaha. Santam, santau, sataha. Dvitiya. Pratama, dvitiya, I've told you. Tritiya is sata, sadbhyam, sadbihi, sadbihi. So, sat means a virtuous person, not just good. Good is a very relative word, Srinivas, in English. I may be good to you. The same person, may be bad to some people. This is a relative term. But above this level is Satpurusha, who is virtuous. He is good to all. He cannot be bad to some. Such person is called Satpurusha. Understand?
Yes.
So, Santam, yadi Purushaha, Santam Sevate. If man serves a saintly person, holy person, a virtuous person, yadi Asantam, or if man serves an unvirtuous, unrighteous person, a bad person, unholy person, if man serves an unholy person, yadi Purushaha tapasvinam sevati, if man serves an ascetic, okay, tapasvinam, this is also dvitiya, tapasvinam, santam, asantam. Where is asantam? You break that fourth word. Yadi asantam, yanadesha sandhi. Yadi asantam. That word, one word has to be shown. Any more sandhis are there?
Stena.
Yadi asantam. Stenam.
Plus eva. And one more. Vasham plus abhyupa.
Vasham
Plus
abhyupaiti.
abhyupa plus it. Is it also a sandhi or?
That is, we can abhi upaiti, abhi. If you further split it, abhi upaiti. This is a prefix, preposition used, but still you can break it. Sandhi only, no doubt, sandhi. Vasaha has become vaso. You know Vasaha Shabda?
Yes.
Where is it used in Gita? Vasaha, Vasasi, Vasamsi, Jirnani Yatha Vihaya, Navani Gruhnati Naroparani. Second chapter. So Vasamsi, Vasaha, Vasasi, Vasamsi. Vasa nama Vastram. Vastram yatha vastram rangavasham prayati gacchati. Yatha idam vastram. अस्माभिः धृतम् इदं वस्त्रं रंगवशं गच्छति प्रयाति नाम गच्छति तथा स पुरुषः यः उपरि उक्तः वर्णितः पुरुषः संतं सेवमानः पुरुषः असंतं सेवमानः पुरुषः तपस्विनं सेवमानः पुरुषः तेनम् एव सेवमानः पुरुषः वा भवतु स पुरुषः तादृशः पुरुषः तेषाम् उपरि उक्तानां तेषां Vasham abhyupaiti. He goes into their influence. That means Sataha vashe gacchati, Asataha vashe gacchati, Tapasvinaha vashe gacchati, Stenasya vashe gacchati. He will either go into the influence of the Satpurusha or Asatpurusha or a Tapasvi or a thief. Is it okay now?
Yes.
So what is the total meaning here? Whatever a man serves, he will be under that influence. Like the cloth is under the influence of the color. Like the cloth gets influenced by the color, whatever a man serves, whether a man serves a virtuous person or an unholy person or a ascetic or an ascetic or a thief, he will be influenced by those persons. So again here sangati, satsangati is required. Satsangati hi avashika. You have to have good company. Next one poem.
यदि सत्संग निरतो भविष्यसि भविष्यसि अथ दुर्जन संसर्गे पतिष्यसि पतिष्यसि.
This is a different way of expression. Two times the verb here. Yadi satsanga nirataha. Nirataha means asaktaha. One who is devoted to satsanga. Srinivas. Yadi Purushaha, again you bring in Purushaha, Satsanga Nirataha Bhavati. Satsange Nirataha. This is explained as, should be understood, Satsange Nirataha. One who is devoted to good company. Satsange Nirataha. Asaktaha. Bhavishyasi Bhavishya. That means if one is interested, engaged in good company, he will become good. What is that next word? Bhavishyasi. Oh, here it is a second person, Srinivas. If you are engaged in good company, you will become good. Bhavishyasi, Bhavishyasi. Why two times here, Srinivas?
Sure.
It is like Yadi Tvam understood. Satsanga Nirataha Asi. If you are engaged in good company, Yadi Tvam Satsanga Nirataha Bhavishyasi. If you will become engaged in the company of good, Tvam Bhavishyati. Sat Purushaha Bhavishyasi. So second Bhavishyasi is that. Yadi Tvam, if you Satsanga Nirataha Bhavishyasi, if you will become devoted to the company of good people, you will become good. Second Bhavishyasi is that. Tvam Sat Purushaha Bhavishyasi. Second line. Atha, otherwise, on the other hand, Durjana Samsarge Nirataha Bhavishyasi. If you Atha Durjana Samsarge Patishyasi, or if you will fall into the company of bad people, Tvam Patishyasi, you will be falling in life. If you fall, you will fall. If you become engaged, engrossed, or interested in good company, you will become a good man. Again the same thing, because some of the poems, slokas are there. Whatever you wish to be, you will become that. It amounts to say, even Gita also, Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram. There is one poem. Even at the time of death, deciding factor is death. At the time of death, whatever you think and leave this body, that will give you the next life. Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yaha prayati samadbhavam yati nastatra. So it is very rare thing, very, very rare to think of God at the time of death. That is why all these japa, tapa, homa are recommended, that you should be able to take the name of God at the time of death, so that you will get out of this vicious circle. That is very difficult. Man will be always thinking of his prosperity, his family, deha, patya, kalatra, adishu, atma, sainyeshu. He will be always struggling with this deha, his children, apatya, his kalatra, his wife, his office, his new house, new car, this, that. We lose the sight of the original thing. Okay? We have to go to, next poem.
Yes, sir.
Shashtitamaha slokaha tadvai mitram. He is the friend Who is the friend? Let's see.
न तन्मित्रं यस्य कोपाद् बिभेति यद्वा मित्रं शङ्कितेनोपचर्यम् यस्मिन् मित्रे
पितरीवाश्वसीत
तद्वै मित्रं संगतानीतराणि.
So here is a description of a true friend who is a Tadvai Mitram. He is indeed the friend. Because Mitra Shabda is Napumsaka, therefore Tad is used here. Tadvai Mitram. So Vai Rasaha. We have a statement. So Vai Rasaha. He is the Rasa. God is the Rasa. Actual enjoyment is God. So Vai Rasaha. So like that Tadvai Mitram. Padacheda you can do.
न तत् मित्रं यस्य कोपात् बिभेति यत् वा मित्रं शङ्कितेन उपचर्यम् यस्मिन् मित्रे पितरि इव आश्वसीत तत् वै मित्रं संगतानि इतराणि.
So at the Anvayartha also you can do.
तत् मित्रं न यस्य कोपात् बिभेति यद्वा मित्रं शङ्कितेन उपचर्यम्.
Okay, we will pause there. Tat Mitram, the Vidura says here, he is a friend. Na yasya kopat bhibeti. Tat Mitram na. He is not a friend. Tat Mitram na. Yasya kopat bhibeti. He is not a friend whose you are from whose anger you are afraid of, for whom you are afraid of, from whom you are afraid of. Yasya kopat bhiveti, or whose anger bhiveti means his friend fears his. Yasya kopakaranena tasya mitram bhiveti. You have to understand in a far-fetched way. The Anvayartha is also not. Tat mitram na. He is not a friend. Yasya kopena kopakaranat tasya mitram bibeti. Because of whose anger his friend fears. Who makes his friend fear rather. He is not a friend. He is not, in other words, he is not a friend who scares his friend in a straight manner. He is not a friend who scares his friend. Next. Yasmin.
Yadva mitram shankitena upacharya.
Yadva mitram. Even that person is not a friend. Shankitena upacharyam. Who is treated with, who is served with doubt. Whom you treat with suspicion. Shankitena anumanena upacharyam. Upacharyam means upacharitavyam, upasevitavyam. Upacharyam, upasevyam. Whom you serve with doubt in mind. Next.
Yasmin mitre pitari iva
Ashvasita.
Tadvai mitram itarani sangatani.
Ashvasita is a verb. A upasarga shvasa dhatu. This is vidhiling, third person singular. Ashvasita means showing, confiding, believing in. Ashvasana. You know the word ashvasana?
Yeah.
Ashvasita, one may confide, one may believe in. So, what you read? Yasmin, in which friend pitru samaha vishwasaha bhavati. Oh, I am doing bhavartha, sorry. Yasmin mitre, in which friend pitari iva, that friend in whom you can confide, believe like you believe in your father. Pitari iva ashvasita. So that's a really friend, that is a real friend in whom you trust like you trust your father. Tadvai mitram, he is the friend. Itarani, others are there, na? Other friends, the so-called friends. Itarani mitrani vartante kalu. Bahuni mitrani vartante loke. Na vastutaha tani sarvani va te sarve va mitrani bhavitum na arhanti iti. Mitram tu eka eva bhavati. So itarani, the others, sangatani, are just people who come by way of your going. That means they are simply acquaintances. What we say, parichaya. They are simply sangatani nama parichayaha, parichitaha purushaha eva. Itarani parichitaha purushaha natu suhrudaha natu mitrani. They are not friends, they are only acquaintances. Known people, familiar people they are not friends. Only that person is a friend in whom you trust like you trust your father. Pitari iva yasmin mitre ashvasita sa eva suhrud tadeva mitram tadvai mitram itarani na mitrani. Itarani nama sangatani kevalam te tani अथवा ते संगतानि भवन्ति. They are simply acquaintances. What is the English term? The rest are only companions. Okay. Bhavartha you read.
Kopishtaha shankaspadam cha mitram na
Shankaspadam
cha
mitram na bhavati. Very good said. Kopishtaha, very deadly angry man, angry person. Shankaspadam. Shankayaha aspadam, one who is the object of suspicion. Shankaspadam cha mitram na bhavati. He can't be a friend. A friend should not be doubted. A friend should not be a wrathful person, angry person. Next. Yasmin vishwasaha bhavati. Saeva nivasantaha bhavati. Others are only living companions, living together with us. They can't be friends. So, yasmin pitrusamaha vishwasaha bhavati, in whom you can trust like you trust your father. Saeva, that person only, mitram bhavati, he can only be your friend. And what about others? Itare janaha kevalam saha nivasantaha bhavanti. They are only living together. They are only companions or companionships, that's all. They are not friends. They cannot be called as friends. There is so much said, Srinivas, about real friendship. Now, if you remember what I told you, Bhartruhari, you will be studying also. Bhartruhari, the great poet of moralist, gives 6 qualities of a friend. We have already highlighted this in our previous classes. Here only. That's it. Yeah, it is coming. It is there only. Okay. Now, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Translation is okay. Sambadhaha slokaha are there. Can we take up one?
Yeah.
Just read. Time is.
Yaha
Kaschidapyasambadho mitrabhavena vartate.
sa eva bandhus tanmitram sa gatistat parayanam.
This is also Vidura Niti. Yaha kaschit api asambadhaha. How do you break that? Yaha kaschit api asambadhaha. Yanadisha sandhi. Yaha kaschit api asambadhaha mitrabhavena vartati. Let us see this line. Yaha asambadhaha kaschidapi. Yaha means yaha purushaha, asambadhaha unrelated, kaschidapi whoever he may be. Yaha asambadhaha kaschidapi purushaha mitrabhavena vartati, if he is with a friendly nature. An unrelated person, unconnected person, if he is with good friendly feeling, saeva, next line, he only, bandhuhu, he can be a relative. Tan mitram, he is only friend. Sagatihi, he will only be our refuge. Gati shabda is strilinga, therefore sagatihi, he will be the refuge. Tat parayanam, he will be only our final dependence, refuge. He will be way, Gati you can take, he will be our way, guide, Marga. Gati means Marga. He will be Parayanam, means he will be final refuge, Ashraya. So, one, though unrelated, one may be, but if he is with Mitra Bhavena, if he is got that friendly nature, then he can be your relative, he can be your friend, he can be your way, he can be your final goal. Parayana means final goal also. So much you can trust in a person who is with the Mitra Bhava. We will analyze this poem in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.